Dear students, welcome to Blackboard. In figure, O is a point in the interior of a triangle ABC, OD perpendicular to BC, OE perpendicular to AC, and OF perpendicular to AB. Show that. First question, OA square plus OB square plus OC square minus OD square minus OE square minus OF square equal to AF square plus BD square plus CE square. Second question, AF square plus BD square plus CE square equal to AE square plus CD square plus BF square. Here is given the figure triangle ABC. OE, this is OE, it is perpendicular to AC. OF perpendicular to AB and this OD perpendicular to BC. We need to prove these two results. Here we need a construction join OA, OB, OC. Now let us apply the Pythagoras theorem in right triangles. First let us consider triangle AOF. This is triangle AOF. Here this F is 90 degree. So this AO is the hypotenuse. So hypotenuse square equal to sum of the squares of the other two sides. So in triangle AOF, OA square equal to OF square plus AF square. Let it as equation number 1. Next we are going to apply the Pythagoras theorem in triangle BOD. This is triangle BOD. Here OB square equal to OD square plus BD square. Keep it as equation number 2. Next we are going to apply in triangle COE. This is triangle COE. Here this angle is 90 degrees, so OC is the hypotenuse. OC square equal to OE square plus EC square. Keep it as equation number 3. Adding equation 1, 2 and 3, we get OA square plus OB square plus OC square equal to OF square plus AF square plus OD square plus BD square plus OE square plus EC square. We have got an equation like this. From this equation, take this OF square, OD square and OE square to left side. We get OA square plus OB square plus OC square minus OD square minus OE square minus OF square equal to, there is remaining AF square plus BD square plus CE square. That is our first result. Now we need to prove one more. Now let us consider the first result. It is AF square plus BD square plus CE square equal to OA square plus OB square plus OC square minus OD square minus OE square minus OF square. We have just changed the left hand side and right hand side. Now we are going to rearrange the right hand side. OA square minus OE square. We have written it together. Next OB square minus OF square. Next OC square minus OD square. Now you see the figure OA square minus OE square. OA square minus OE square. We can say it is AE square. Then OB square minus OF square. See the figure OB square minus OF square. We can say it is BF square. Next OC square minus OD square. OC square minus OD square. It is CD square. So we have go to the second result also. Let us rearrange it. That is AF square plus BD square plus CE square equal to AE square plus BF square plus CD square. A ladder 10 meter long reaches a window 8 meter above the ground. Find the distance of the foot of the ladder from the base of the wall. So based on the question, I have drawn a figure here. In this figure, let OA be the wall and AB be the ladder. So the height of the wall is 8 meter and the length of the ladder is 10 meter. We need to find out OB. So this is a right triangle. Let us apply the Pythagoras theorem in triangle AOB. So we can write AB square equal to OA square plus OB square, that is 10 square equal to 8 square plus OB square. OB square equal to 10 square minus 8 square, that is OB square equal to 100 minus 64, that is OB square equal to 36. OB equal to root of 36, that is 6 meter. Therefore, distance of the foot of the ladder from the base of the wall is 6 meter. A gay wire attached to a vertical pole of height 18 meter is 24 meter long and has a stake attached to the other end. How far from the base of the pole should the stake be driven so that the wire will hit out? So here is drawn the figure. Here this OB is the vertical pole and AB is the gay wire. Height of the vertical pole is 18 meter and the length of the wire is 24 meter. We need to find out OA. By Pythagoras theorem, AB square equal to OA square plus OB square, that is 24 square equal to 18 square plus OA square, that is 576 equal to 324 plus OA square. OA square equal to 576 minus 324. OA square equal to 252. OA equal to root of 252. While doing the prime factorization, we get OA equal to 6 root 7 meter. So it is 6 root 7 meter away from the base of the pole. An aeroplane leaves an airport and flies due north at a speed of 1000 km per hour. At the same time, another aeroplane leaves the same airport and flies due west at a speed of 1200 km per hour. How far apart will be the two planes after 1.5 hours? So it is given that an aeroplane leaves an airport and flies north at a speed of 1000 km per hour. So the distance travelled by the first aeroplane after 1.5 hours, that is equal to speed into time. Time is 1.5 hours, that is equal to 3 by 2. Speed is 1000, so 1000 into 3 by 2, that is equal to 1500 km. So the aeroplane travelled to north and it covered 1500 km. Then the second aeroplane travelling at a speed of 1200 km per hour. So the distance covered by it after 1.5 hours, that is equal to 1200 into 3 by 2, that is equal to 1800 km. So the second aeroplane travelled to west and it covered a distance of 1800 km. We need to find out the distance AB, how far apart will be the planes after 1.5 hours. You can see this is a right triangle, so we can apply the Pythagoras theorem here. So by Pythagoras theorem, AB square equal to OA square plus OB square, that is equal to 1800 square plus 1500 square, that is equal to 32 lakh 40,000 plus 22 lakh 50,000, that is equal to 54 lakh 90,000. So AB equal to root of 54 lakh 90,000. By prime factorizing, we get that is equal to 300 root 61 km. Therefore, the two planes are 300 root 61 km apart after 1.5 hours. Two poles of height 6 meter and 11 meter stand on a plain ground. If the distance between the feet of the poles is 12 meter, find the distance between their tops. So here is drawn two poles. Let AB and CD be the poles. One is with height 6 meter and other is with height 11 meter. The distance between their feet is 12 meter. We need to find out the distance between their tops. Here we can see this AB and PD both are 6 meter. This CD is 11 meter. Here this BD and AB both are 12 meter. So this PC we can find out PC equal to CD minus DP, that is equal to 11 minus 6, that is equal to 5 meter. So this CP we got, it is 5 meter. This AP is 12 meter. We can apply Pythagoras theorem in this triangle APC. In triangle APC, AC square equal to AP square plus PC square, that is equal to 12 square plus 5 square, that is equal to 144 plus 25, that is equal to 169. AC equal to root of 169, that is equal to 13 meter. Therefore, the distance between their tops is 13 meter. Dear students, I hope you understood the topic in this video. If you have any doubt, please comment.